Well, today is beach day and I am so excited. I have not been to the beach in over a month, probably longer than maybe a month and a half. And you can tell because I have no tan and I did not go and get a spray tan. So we're just going to have to suffer through that. But I do want to go because the beaches are going to be clear. School is back in session and so everybody's summer break is over and that means we have fewer people on the beach. So I'm really excited about that. I've already loaded a few things in the car. I had gone to the grocery and I took some things out when I went. But now we're going to pack a beach bag. And you know, the hardest part of all of this is deciding what swimwear to wear. Swimwear to me is like the most naked you're going to be in public. So it is very difficult to decide. And I have a couple of bathing suits I've kind of chosen. And let's go through them. I'm going to show you what I think I'm going to wear, and then you can tell me which one you think I should wear. So I have this swim set that is a tankini, and it is an animal print, which is not bad. I really like that. I have quite a bit of swimwear because, you know, we live so close to the beach. And I do keep them in these zip bags because I have several drawers of swimwear and I don't want them to get caught in the drawer handles and things like that. I have this one that I'm really considering because I don't have a tan. And if I wear something light color, that's not gonna look great at all. So this one has the one shoulder sleeve tankini. I love a good tankini. And that with the bottoms. These are full coverage bottoms. And that's one of my top 10 that I've come up with. And here is the white tankini and it ties in the back. I'm iffy about that one. Let's see what else we have. Here's another white. I almost wore a blue, but it's not my favorite swimwear, so I just left it in another drawer. This is the bottoms of that white tankini. I have this full coverage, and then I have the ones that are higher up on the leg, which looks stunning. If you can get a higher cut that is high-waisted, it works beautifully. Unless you have the perfect body to wear a tiny bottom, the tiniest bottom looks so great on some people. It's not made for all of us. I am one who feels much more comfortable with a little bit of coverage. So I think between those three, let me put these in here real quick. Keep everything organized as much as possible because you think you'll put it back the way it should be, and then when you get around to it, you just close the drawer and forget it, and it doesn't get to stay in order. Okay, I think I've made my decision. I believe I'm going to wear this red one-shoulder tankini and try not to worry about a tan line on that. Now, these are the full coverage bottoms, but they come up high on the side, which I love. I was telling you about that. High bottom tankini, so you have a little bit of coverage. And I don't mind wearing a bikini when I'm at home around my own pool, but when I'm out, and especially if there are a lot of children around, I don't wear a bikini. I just don't. It's just, I don't think in my whole life, I don't believe I've worn a teeny tiny bikini. Even when I was a teenager, I did not. It just felt a little uncomfortable for me. But for those of you who feel comfortable with it, go for it because they look beautiful. If you have the figure for it and you have a nice tan, put a little jewelry on with it, you look stunning. But that's just personal preference. Wear whatever you want. It's your beach day. So let's pack this beach bag. This is ancient. I have had this forever and it has worked for years, so I'm going to use it until it doesn't. I'm using Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Body Mist Sunscreen. This is 70 broad spectrum SPF 70, and I have used this for a long time. This one's almost empty, so I'm bringing a second as a backup. So we have that, and I'm gonna move this little guy. Let's add some beach towels. I did put some beach chairs in the car, but I have to take some beach towels. And how do we wind up with bringing half the beach home with us in these towels? I don't care how long you stand and shake them out when you get up off the beach, you're gonna bring sand home. So that's just life. Now let's add a few more items. I swear this bag gets heavier every time I go to the beach. I think of something else to pack. I am taking sunglasses. I'm gonna take 2 pair. I'm gonna take the Celine's that I've shown you in the past, those. And then if I actually get in the water, I will wear these, and I promise you, I probably got these at Target or somewhere that didn't cost very much, because if you get in the salt water with your sunglasses, I have found that it kind of messes up the hinges. So I try not to do that. And honestly, I don't get in the water that often. You know, if it's bright blue water and a clear day, you can't stay out of the water. But if it's just an average day, I just go just to walk on the beach, pick up a few seashells, sit in the sun for a bit, read a magazine. Here's my new Architectural Digest that I just got, and I'm gonna read through that because I am this much into redecorating one of the bedrooms, and I'll show you that at some point. I haven't made much progress on that project, so it's not even worth telling you about, really. And I'm taking these teaks. They're the neutral color, and actually that will look good with the red. Yeah, should I take both bathing suits? I don't know. I think I'll just stick with the red, the teaks. Why would I need 2? Just because I can't make up my mind. I'm indecisive, and so we're gonna not do that today. We're gonna take one piece of swimwear. We are going to take the teaks, and I wish I had a different hat. I would like something to go with the red. I wish I had a navy hat. I'll have to put that on the shopping list. Navy would look great with that. And I'm going to put my hair back at some point, so I'm taking something for that, a little scrunchie. What else am I taking? Oh, I gotta take a cover up. And I had these 2 cover-ups. I had the white one out in case I wore the white or the animal print. And I love this little fringe bottom cover-up. And I will put this in the information box below. I'll link it for you because this is adorable. You could go to a little beach cafe with that, and it almost looks like a dress. And I have the red that's long, and it is strapless. Let's see what it looks like with this top. I've never worn these 2 together, but why not? The colors match. We'll put it on like this, and I would have the strap showing. Let's see. I am going to have that, and then have this over it. Yes, the colors do match pretty well. I'm not complaining about that. So we are going to take that cover up. I'm still thinking about the red. Do I want the red? Yes. I don't know why I'm being so indecisive today, because we're not going to be there that long. It's not as if we're going to a resort and staying 3 or 4 days. This is a few hours, so I'm just going to go with the red. The hat, you've probably seen before. This is a Carcella Carkella. And this is the Lauren, and I'll try to find that for you. I love this one because it's adjustable. You can put it on and tighten it up so the wind doesn't blow it off. But out of habit, for some reason, I always reach up and touch my hat. I'm afraid it's going to blow off in the sand. So we're going to take that. We're going to take this cover up. What else would I need? I have the sun screen. I wish I had some sunblock for my lips, like a lip balm that is a sunblock. So I may stop by CVS and pick up some lip balm sunblock. That would be nice. I think one of the great things about going to the beach is that you actually feel like you're going on vacation, and I have certainly packed as if I'm going on vacation, but that is the way I go to the beach. I feel like I don't want to leave anything, and as a matter of fact, I need to put bottled water in here. So I will do that as I'm walking out the door. Well, I think I have everything, and if I don't, then I will survive. Somehow, we're going to survive at the beach with this stuff for just a few hours. So let's pack this up. I'm gonna get my water, get my phone, stop by CVS and get some lip balm, and I may take, where's my phone? Here it is. I will take my phone. So if I catch anything to take a picture of, I will do that. This is turtle nesting season, so we may see some turtle nests. Some beaches have more than others. So I'm going to a different beach today than I usually go. That's probably why I am concerned about having everything, because this is a beach I don't go to very often. Okay, I think we are good to go. Oh, almost forgot my case. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of stuff. So let's go to the beach. I must report we made it back from the beach and I survived all that sand. But it is nice to come home and take a great shower and just relax. You know, when you go to the beach, you seem to get a little bit tired. It's probably from the sun. You get a little happier, and I think that's from the sun, and you are much more relaxed. So I hope this inspires you to pack a beach bag, choose your favorite swimwear, and go to the beach or a pool or a lake and enjoy every minute that remains of the summer, because it's going by fast. I enjoyed having you with me today, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment, because the comments are very important. And I hope you enjoy every minute of the remainder of summer. So I will see you soon, and bye everybody.